Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. If you close it, don't worry, just open the lid. Then at the right side we have connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until the LED light flashes red. So let's do this. Firstly, it starts blinking white. It's okay, just enter to pairing mode, don't worry about it, just keep holding connection button. And we have the red LED light, so you can release your finger. Then we should reconnect them with the phone. Open Settings, move to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget this device. You may have Forget device or Forget or Unpair or Remove button. Click on it and Forget device. You will remove them. Without it, if you try to reconnect them, on iOS it will ask you to remove them. On Android it will show you mostly connection problem. So we need to remove them. After you remove your headphones, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have refresh button, tap at that button, and then you will see your headphones at the device list. Tap on them. And we just did it. If you want to reconnect your headphones also with the application, open the app, click Pair, and we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!